Alright, so here's the idea I came up with for making it easier to get in and out of the back of my pickup. I had bought a Tractor Supply toolbox, which is awesome and I love it. I'm just getting really tired of climbing up into the back of my truck and then hopping out after getting what I need. And part of that's just because I'm getting older and my knees hurt all the time and I can't climb on stuff and then jump off of it all the time. So I was looking for something. There's all kinds of different products out there for that. There's like swivel ladders, fold out ladders. They even make tailgates now that have a step that folds out. But this idea is what I like the most. I was gonna make something myself, but then I don't know, I just figured buy the parts and just have it done and ready to go. So I got this here on Amazon, and what I didn't know is that Harbor Freight actually sells these. Theirs are shorter. Theirs are only about maybe a foot or 14 inches long. So the nice thing about this is that it's wider than what Harbor Freight has, so you have less of a chance of missing the step when you're stepping down off of the tailgate. And this is about 27 inches long. And then of course this just slides into the receiver on the back of your vehicle. But with the tailgate down, I wanted to have an extension, so then this step went out past, like the tailgate will be right here. I wanted it to be past the tailgate, so then you step off the tailgate onto this and then onto the ground. And this right here was about, I think it was advertised as 18 inches. It measures 23, but I think from each of the holes, pin to pin, it's about 18, so that's probably why they advertise it as that. But this right here was 50 bucks and came with the this black pin, and it also came with one of those U-bolts that you can use to keep your hitches from rattling, which right now it's in the toolbox. That was 50, and then this one here I think was 45 on eBay. And it's, you know, it's pretty heavy duty. It's rated for quite a bit of weight, actually. It's rated for a lot more than what you actually put on it if you're just using it as a step. But yeah, I'll go throw it on the truck here and show how it works.